What's up guys, it's Tierra and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be shaping and grooming my own eyebrows. This is my first time and I got this kit from Target. It has the tweezers, the scissors, the sharpener, and a brush for your eyebrows inside. So I think I paid $15.99 for it. I'll put the link in the description box below. So let's get started. When I first started recording the video, I actually forgot to put a disclaimer out there. I am not a professional. I don't usually do eyebrows. I just thought that it would be a nice video to do since we've been in quarantine and nothing is open. No salons are open to go to get your eyebrows done. So I just wanted to do my own eyebrows because I couldn't take it anymore. So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm not a professional. It's all for fun and for good looks because I have thick eyebrows and it is noticeable when I need my eyebrows done. So, yeah. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing today is brushing the brows. You want to brush them so you can pluck them correctly and trim them correctly. And we will start to pluck right now. Guys, the plucking does hurt, but it is useful. You should pluck as much as you can. Also trimming. Guys, don't trim too much. You will see me going back and forth with trimming, plucking, and brushing my brows. I just want to make sure everything is accurate here. Also, guys, another tip is to make sure that you're not trimming too much. You don't want it to be too light. I did make a mistake in doing that. I trimmed too much on one of my eyebrows, and you know, it's kind of visible, but not really. Like I said before, plucking does hurt a little, but you should get used to it. By the fifth one, you should get used to it. Okay, so what we're going to do is brush these babies again, and then we're going to start shaping them up with the razor. And guys, make sure that you don't get too close to your eyebrows. As I said before, this was my first time, so I'm just practicing. I will be practicing more, and I'll, give you guys tips along the way. But do not get too close to your eyebrow because you don't want to shape too much. We're going to brush them again. And guys, nothing is wrong with going over your eyebrows more than once. Just make sure you've plucked all that you can, you've shaved all that you can, and brushed your eyebrows so they look good. Alright, so this is almost the final look for the right eyebrow. We're just going to wipe this off with cotton ball with alcohol on it. And starting with the left side. We're just brushing the eyebrows up. We're going to start trimming them and then on to plucking. Then starting to trim again. As I said before, don't trim too much. Make sure you're looking in the mirror just to get that satisfaction and to make sure you're doing enough, but not too much. Starting to pluck again. Make sure you get those excess hair. On this eyebrow particularly, it was a lot of plucking to do because I had a lot of excess hair on this one. Alright, we're going to start brushing these babies again. We need to make sure they're looking good and on the right track. And starting to shape them as well with the razors that we have here. Again, guys, make sure you're not getting too close to your eyebrows. You don't want to shape too much. Alright, brushing them again. We're going to trim them. And guys, now we're just pretty much going over them just to make sure that we have everything together, everything in shape, and everything looking good. So from trimming to shaping to brushing. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys a final look at them both together. This is the final look, and that's it. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was my first time doing eyebrows, guys. I think I did a good job, exactly. Like this eyebrow here is like perfect. This one over here is okay. It seems like I just couldn't get this eyebrow to work. So I just wanted to end the video. I was letting you guys know that. I really do like them though. I don't think that is really noticeable. On how, you know, okay-ish this one looks, because I have naturally thick eyebrows and people don't usually notice, but you know. Anyways, I enjoy doing that. I think they look really good overall. So like this video if you like my eyebrows, or if you like how they came out. Comment down below any other videos you guys need me to do or want me to do, and I'll make sure to get it done for you. And also comment down below what you think of my eyebrows, what you think I need to work on, because I think from now on I'll be doing my own eyebrows, because practice makes perfect. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love that. And see you guys in the next video. I'm out.